welcome to another vlog.
My lashes are falling off.
Mel and I are currently on the ferry, having some emotional chats.
You know, happy emotions. Nothing
Literally,
negative.
we haven't even left the car yet.
Look at that sailboat.
So we're going from downtown Seattle to Bainbridge Island right now because this one wants some fudge and shit.
Fudge and shit. Yeah, that's right. I haven't been to Bainbridge in what, 6, 7 years now? I don't even remember how long I was living here in 2012.
Is that when it was? I thought it was like...
We moved here in 2011, late 2011.
So we're gonna get some seafood. Are we double vlogging? This is real not ideal lighting, I've got to say.
No, it's not. You literally just look like a it looks like an interview of like a Dateline crime thing.
You're just Daniel.
Daniel.
We've been watching, what's it called actually?
Escaping Polygamy.
Oh yeah.
Does anyone know about this show? Because we didn't.
It is wild.
Dish it out with my cold.
We're at Doc's Seafood, I think it's called.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
So pretty. It's right on the harbor in Bainbridge. Per Mallory's request. Mel and I are on a nature walk.
Yes, we are. Just, you know, nature in our cameras. I like how people are gonna, every time we talk, they're gonna see the same vlog. It's the same vlog.
Oh, great shot, Taylor. Half my ear. Beaver Dam. I like how before you get here, we're like, we're gonna film a video for each of our channel, a podcast episode.
We're doing it this time. We're doing it this time. Well, this is all you get.
I could be in the podcast mood.
Yeah, because you just sit and talk.
Yeah.
So.
Do you have your, like,
No,
would we be able to film podcast?
Because my podcast thing is like huge, and then I had to bring the mic.
Wow, look how low tide is. Whoa, this is super low tide. Mallory and I are having a impromptu photo shoot. We are downtown.
I didn't know she was filming. I thought that was somebody else's camera.
We just drove by this parking lot and they have a really good pink wall, a walrus, and a black wall. So we're about to photo it up. St. Jude, I think my camera settings are off right now because everything is super, look how bright that is in it. When I touch it, it's not darkening.
Oh, for God's sake.
I got a pina colada. Mel got a, what'd you get?
A watermelon asshole mojito.
We're at the Crab Pot, which is probably the most touristy place in Seattle, but that's okay. We're so excited. Give me some crab. It's lunchtime. We were just in Capitol Hill. Oh wait, show your piercings.
Oh yeah, I got a new fresh one, and then I got these re-pierced because an idiot did it the first time.
And then I got
Oh no,
that ear.
Oh wait,
looks so good.
that one. That ear looks so good. So cute. I love the smaller. On the tragus, it looks so good.
Then I'm gonna get Mallory sent me her Etsy link, so I'm gonna get
Yeah, the little babies.
massive guys.
I got everything.
Is that like a public?
I don't know. The crab. 6 hours later.
Satisfied.
Minus this music choice.
I mean, I can eat them, but I just
This song, are we serious right now? Cotton Eye Joe.
Allie, what's your Venmo?
Up your butt and around the corner.
Okay, so I just filmed a Foundation Friday. I might film a second video right now, but Mallory left yesterday, which was so sad. We had so much fun, but we're gonna see each other in a month. It actually worked out that my boyfriend and I were gonna go to Vegas, and now Keegan and her are coming over her birthday, so we're stoked. Usually we have to go like a year before we see each other again, and we're gonna see each other in a month, so very exciting things. But I just love Mallory. We just have so much fun together. Ate all the things, did all the things, and it was just like a good kind of break for me too. And now I'm back to filming, back at it. So I have a call in like 10 minutes, then I might try and film an empties video right after I finish up on that call. But I'll have all the places we went listed down below. I would highly recommend going to Oddfellows for breakfast. If you come to Seattle during the week and you're like, we want breakfast, but where do we go? Oddfellows in Capitol Hill, so cute, like super high ceilings, really cute decor. They have like an outside patio with string lights. What else? Oh, I dyed my roots last night, flat ironed my hair this morning, washed it, just the whole shebang. Yeah, just getting back in the swing of things and trying to get a bunch of stuff done today. So for lunch, I'm sauteing some kale, and I've got some leftover steak and rice that I made yesterday, and then I just made like a little tahini lemon garlic dressing kind of thing. Mallory really inspired me to attempt to eat clean, at least like during the week. Like I think I'm still gonna go out and eat what I want like on the weekend, but I just want to attempt to eat like way cleaner throughout the week. I was just scrolling on Etsy looking at vintage rings because this is what I do, and this beauty, oh my gosh, can't do this with my left hand. I think I'm gonna splurge and get this. It's gold and real diamond, and it's from the early 1900s. I would probably put it on my middle finger on this hand. Okay, my dishwasher's going, so hopefully you guys can't hear that, but this is finally the estate sale piece I've been talking about in the last couple vlogs. So I got it for half off that, so about 30 bucks. I originally was gonna reupholster this and just go over it, but then I was like feeling what was under here, and it's literally just like a hard cushion thing, it feels like. So I'm just gonna cut this off because it's really nasty, and then reupholster with the new fabric that I got. This is so cool. It's like a pretty green leather. Oh, it's totally torn apart though. I actually don't know if the staple gun will go into leather, now that I'm thinking about it, because it's like a foam on the inside, so I might need to hot glue gun it. Wait, do I have enough on the side? Nope, I think I did that. If I really wanted to, I could just buy a new cushion, but I'm not gonna be like sitting on this thing every day, so it doesn't need to be like super, you know, intense and things, but that probably would be a smart idea. I'm just choosing not to do it. I think I'm gonna have to hot glue gun this too. Like they're staying in, but if I pull, it feels like they're gonna kind of slide out. So I also have a hot glue gun, which I'll probably use. Okay, so here's the after. This one was a little bit of a fail. So as I was cleaning it down, I was using bleach to like wipe down all the gold, and actually a lot of the so much dust came off. Is actually a little bit disgusting, but now it's like much more shiny gold because I cleaned the crap out of it. But as I was doing that, I stupidly kept the cushion on as I was doing that, and I got bleach right on the fabric. So that's great. I have a little tiny like leaf pillow, so actually let me grab that. I mean, that could totally work. You can still see a little bit right here and on the top. That was dumb. So this was the original piece that it came with. I just wiped it down with bleach and it got way wider. So I actually really like this. I was gonna redo it, but I kind of like it like that. So I'll eventually probably just order like a cushion if I can find one with those measurements. This, I know why they had this wood board here, because these, a few of them are like totally loose. But I just thought this would be a cute like laptop desk. I can work there. I want to put it, this room's a total disaster from Mallory being here. I need to put that away, but I think I'm gonna put it right here so that you can look at the TV while you're sitting in that chair, because no one really sits on this chair anyway, and it's cool, but I'm not like super attached. So I think I might sell this chair and then put the gold thing right there so that you could watch some TV. Okay, I have not tried this yet, so I don't know if it's good, but I just made a kale ground turkey salad. I put the taco seasoning on. I really like the kale almost like burnt, where certain parts are like brown, you know, gives it some flavor. Some onion, green onion, cilantro, and then I'm probably gonna just put some tapatio on. See how it is. Just made a matcha latte. I just use matcha powder from Amazon, I'll link down below, and then I put in some of the Khalifa coconut milk, a splash of water, and some of the sugar-free syrup that I've talked about before, so I'll link all that down below, but it is so good. The straw is also from Amazon, and this really cute cup is from Walmart. I don't think I showed you guys this, but when Mallory and I were in Bainbridge, we went to this antique store, and this lighting's like not even doing it justice, but I got this really cool gold box kind of thing, and I wasn't sure what I was gonna do with it. I thought I might originally put my pens in it, because I keep stuff on my kitchen table because this is where I work usually, and I found a use for it. Instead of having the ugly hard drive, bright orange thing sitting out, I can still have it plugged in, but it fits in here, and I can also put this thing that I got off Amazon. It's a memory card holder, so the memory cards aren't like laying all over. This thing also fits in here perfectly. I can stack them both, close it, and instead of just having like ugly orange things on the table, now I have like a pretty gold box. So that's a good find. I think I got it for like $7 at the antique store. So I just finished filming. I wiped off the lip color, but I think this vlog will actually be at first, but I have a first impressions video coming. And I found a new mascara combo, 2 of them together. Holy crap, you guys. Wait till you see that video. I just want to show you this up close. Like, are you joking? These are 2 drugstore mascaras layered. So I wanted to show you guys this because I just got it in the mail. But I got a new, beautiful black backpack. So this is by Rebecca Minkoff, but I got it on Hot Look. So I got it like half off. It is real leather and it is so pretty. And this is the one I had been using just for like travel and if I go work from a coffee shop or whatever. This is from Marshall's. I think I showed you guys in a past vlog like a few ago a black Marshall's backpack that I got, and I ended up returning it. It just didn't work out. The straps were like super weird and it was really big and bulky. This one is obviously looking pretty dirty and I feel like it's just time. Also, it's like ripping at the seam right here. And this one I carry like my laptop in, like heavy shit, and to the airport and everything, and so it's just like it's time to retire this guy. But I wanted to get just like one that would hold up well but that was also really cute and that could fit my laptop. It's the Kate backpack. I just tried it on too, and if you have like a smaller frame, it looks really good. It doesn't look too big at all, and it's nice and like narrow at the top. So I'm hoping my laptop fits in here. I actually haven't tried yet. I looked at the measurements when I ordered it and said it would, so. And then it has this slit back here, which is really nice because you could put like your iPad if you have one or your phone, and it has a magnetic closure, and then you have like the top handle too. So I just thought this was so beautiful. It's hard to show it at this angle, but maybe that gives you an idea. I need to tighten the things a little bit so it's like up here. All right guys, if you have been watching for a couple years, you remember when I got this fiddly fig 2 years ago. He has survived. I'm pretty sure it's been 2 years, but he's not looking so hot, you know? And I think it's because I never repotted it. So let me know how the heck to do that. I bought a bag of soil the other day. I don't know what I'm doing. Plants are literally like foreign objects to me. Can learn Arabic, cannot repot plant. Me. But yeah, if you have any tips for repotting these, is it just gonna come out of here? Do I need to cut this thing? How much soil do I put in? What's happening? Leaves are feeling a little dry and crisp. This plant is doing okay. This one I also got the same time, so this one's lasted a couple years. Not sure what kind of plant it is. I water it like maybe once every couple weeks. A couple brown leaves, but overall I think that one looks pretty good. The lipstick plant, I don't know how this one's still alive. Probably need to repot this one too. Could look better, you know? The other day I like semi-organized all my jewelry. I just kind of plopped my earrings together, and then I got this really cute little bowl off of Urban Outfitters. I'll link it down below. I just put my bracelets in here and then some like bigger hoops, but I think it's technically for a plant. LOL. But I think it looks totally cute as that. And this is still for sale. I will link it down below. It's a 99 bottles of foundation on the wall poster. Has like really detailed little drawings and stuff. I have tons of laundry to fold and put away right now. So I'm probably gonna do that and end this vlog here, but I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, you can give it a thumbs up. I love making vlogs. Everything I talk about in vlogs is always listed down below in the description box. Oh, by the way, the Fitbit, I think I had showed this band, but I hadn't put it on yet in my last vlog. Really like it. It's like magnetic, so it's super easy to put on. I kind of want to get just a regular gold, not a rose gold, but I do like this band, and I've been loving the Fitbit Versa so much more than the Apple Watch. But anyways, I'm gonna sign out here, folks. Love you. Thank you for watching.